Hello dear students, JEE Mains 2021 16 March first shift question paper it is. So the problems from 1 to 10 we have already discussed. Now this is the problem number 11 of the paper. So in this problem, let f is defined from 0 to 2 to r. Okay. B defined as fx is equal to log of 1 plus tan pi x by 4 to the base 2. And we need to calculate this limit n tends to infinity 2 by n f of 1 by n plus f of 2 by n plus and so on f of 1. That means it is basically f of 1 by n plus f of 2 by n plus f of 3 by n and so on f of n by n, which is 1. This limit we have to calculate. So this is not a limit problem. This is a definite integrals problem. So whenever the limit is written as n tends to infinity and something upon n is there, and inside the function this is a function of 1 by n, 2 by n, 3 by n, or in general we want to say, then you can say it is a function of r by n. So what we do to to solve this limit, we convert this limit into definite integral form. How can we convert this? First step is you just write this expression in terms of sigma. So how can I write this expression in terms of sigma? Limit n tends to infinity 2 by n as it is. See, this is f of 1 by n, f of 2 by n, f of 3 by n and so on f of n by n. So what is varying? The numerator of argument is varying 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on n. So I can write it f of r by n general, and where r is varying from 1 to n. So sigma r is equals to 1 to n f of r by n. I can replace this. Now what is the procedure? What you do, you just take 1 by n outside. Okay, so limit n tends to infinity. This 2 is also constant, so I can take this also out. Okay, let's say this limit is I. So 2 by n, limit n tends to infinity, sigma r is equals to 1 to n f of r by n. Now to convert this limit into definite integral, what you understand is replace this sigma sign by integral sign. You replace 1 by n by dx, and you replace r by n by x. So this limit will convert as 2 by n is as it is. Sorry, this 1 by n will become dx. So 2 as it is, not 2 by n. So this would be integral r is equals to 1 to n. The limits will be there, that I'll tell you. F of r by n will be f of x. 1 by n becomes dx. Is this clear? Now what would be the limits of this integral? The lower limit will be lower limit of sigma, right? Lower limit of sigma upon n, limit n tends to infinity. This would give you the lower limit of integration. Okay, so lower limit of integral will be what? Lower limit of sigma upon n. Lower limit of sigma is 1 upon n. So n tends to infinity, 1 upon n. 1 upon n will be 0. So this is the lower limit of integral. Similarly, upper limit of integral will be limit n tends to infinity, upper limit of sigma upon n. Upper limit of sigma is n. So n upon n, 1. So limit n tends to infinity, 1 is 1. So integral's limit will be 1. That means our limit is converted into the definite integral part. Now you simplify this. This is basically twice of integral 0 to 1 fx dx. Fx was given to us log of base 2 1 plus tan pi x by 4 dx. Fine. So from here what you can do, you can see this is twice of 0 to 1 log of 1 plus tan pi x by 4 to the base 2 dx. We can apply a definite integral property. How we can apply? See, you know this property, integral a to b fx dx is equals to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Using this property, I can rewrite this integral as twice of 0 to 1 log of base 2 1 plus tan pi by 4. In place of x, I can replace a plus b minus x, means lower limit plus upper limit minus x. That means 0 plus 1 minus x means 1 minus x dx. So this will become twice of 0 to 1 log of base 2. This is basically 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus pi x by 4. So tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan pi by 4 minus tan pi x by 4 upon 1 plus, this is pi by 4, tan pi by 4 into tan pi x by 4 dx. So this will become twice of 0 to 1 log base 2 1 minus tan pi x. So you simplify this and you will be getting 1 plus tan pi x by 4 plus 1 minus tan pi x by 4 upon 1 plus tan pi x by 4 dx. So this is what becoming tan pi x by 4, tan pi x by 4 cancel, 2 upon this. So basically it is twice of 0 to 1 log 2 upon 1 plus tan pi x by 4 dx. Now you can see this is twice of 0 to 1 log of 2, that is 1 minus log 2 1 plus tan pi x by 4 dx. Now if you clearly observe, this was our integral which we had to find out, I, this is also I. You see this I, this is I what, 2 of 0 to 1 log 2 1 plus tan pi x by 4 to the dx. Same thing is written here also. If you multiply this 2 with 1 and this also, so this is 2 0 to 1 integral 0 to 1 log 2 1 plus tan. So basically it is I. So we are simplifying integral I, that is coming out to be twice of 0 to 1 1 dx minus twice of 0 to 1 log 2 1 plus tan. This is again I. So I is equals twice of integral 0 to 1 1 dx minus I. So from here what can you see? This I will come here. Twice of I is equals to twice of 0 to 1 1 dx will be x 0 to 1. So I is coming out to be 1. 2 से 2 cancel 1. So the answer for this problem is 1. So I hope you have understood the problem. Now if any problem comes with this kind of limit n tends to infinity and something upon n and some expression of r by n, so you can convert this limit into definite integral always. So thank you all of you guys. Thanks for watching the solution. Next questions like this is 11th question, then 12, 13, 14. Next questions will be uploading soon. Thank you all of you guys. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.